So this is my guy. He's got magnets now. I kind of messed up, so I cut the ball off of this and I put a BB up here and then snapped it off. But let me see. All right, so we got click. We got click here. Oh, I broke one of the chains. That's nice. These hands will click on and off either side. I'm going to try to fix this one with another magnet so that it can plug into the side there, but it'll snap in here. And this one, you see what I'm doing with the magnets here. Click, and those fit into one of these holes here. So I'll make that work. Boink. And then all his tails. Boink. I mean, you know how magnetization works, but they're all swappable now. Hey. I didn't have a bigger magnet. Well, I did, but I just went ahead and put 2 of the smaller ones in there, and those hold them in pretty good. So, there he is. Now, just to wait till I build his brothers, and then I'll have a whole team of them. Hell yeah.